Hello and welcome all to today's webinar course for beginners, November 8th. I want to, of course, welcome you all new clients to our webinar. Of course, a lot of you guys have already started your one-on-one training, and a lot of others will be beginning their one-on-one training starting either tomorrow or the following week. So I wish you all the best of luck. Today we have attendees of 185, so welcome all. We are going to begin. Who we are. Trade.com, Lead Capital Markets Ltd, was incorporated in 2013 as a private limited company in Cyprus. The company holds a license for the Cyprus Security Exchange Commission, CSEC, to act as a Cyprus investment firm, CIF, and provides various investment and ancillary services. The company offers access to a wide range of financial instruments under the license issued by the Cyprus Security Exchange and Commission. Combining expertise and experience across industries, functions, and geographies with extensive background in the financial industry, our executive team fosters a common culture focused on cooperation, responsiveness, and quality to ensure the best outcome for our clients. Why Lead Capital Markets? Lead Capital Markets Ltd is operated on an international level with offices in Romania, Poland, Czech Republic, Hungary, Spain. That list definitely goes on and on. One of the lead brands in online trading, Trade.com. Trade.com is a top brand when it comes to customer support, giving them premium products and services in 24 different languages. Safety of funds. Lead Capital Markets Ltd is a member of the Investment Compensation Fund, ICF, set up by the Central Bank of Cyprus and Cyprus Security Exchange Commission, CSEC, for clients of the Cyprus investment firm, CIF. Each account at Trade.com is guaranteed by the Investors Compensation Fund. It is Trades.com policy of keeping the funds separately from their own. We have segregated accounts. Clients' funds are guaranteed up to 20,000 euros per depositor by the Deposit Guaranteed Fund. At Trade.com, we offer, of course, CFDs. One of those are indices. For example, you can trade NASDAQ, S&P 500, ASX 2000, FTSE, MIB, Hang Seng, Nikkei 225, Shanghai. You could also trade, of course, the NASDAQ and the DAX 30, Russell 2000, and we have a list of more and more indices. Those are just some examples. Also, we offer currencies. For example, some currency pairs like the US dollar against the Japanese yen, the euro against the dollar, the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. Maybe you can trade the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar or the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen, the pound against the US dollar, the euro against the Aussie dollar, or how about trading the US dollar, Canadian dollar? And that list goes on and on. We offer also commodities. For example, with Trade.com, you could invest in gold, oil, silver, platinum, aluminum. How about some soft commodities like cotton, coffee, rice, wheat, cacao, soybean, etc. Also at trade.com, we offer a range of stocks from all over the world. Some stocks are like Apple, Yahoo, BMW, Gazpro, Alibaba, JP Morgan, Intel, Shell, eBay, Vodafone, Samsung, and of course Commerce Bank. And that list is definitely much greater than that. So we have much more to offer on stocks. Those are just some examples. Why online trading? We have extremely big variety of clients from all over the world. With trading with us, it's accessibility, liquidity, and most definitely transparency. Also, we have a multiple of financial instruments embedded in one of the best trading platforms in the industry. Services with European standards. With Trade.com, we have technology advances facilities, the development of online trading. Also, online brokerage companies are gaining more and more ground against traditional brokerage houses. 3, excuse me for that. Also, on online brokerage, we have market reaches a daily volume of transactions of around $600 billion. We're continuing. A trader's average life is about 38 years old. Traders average who are trading are 38 years old. And average investment of a trader is about $6,600. And our location, because of course we're online, we are worldwide. With capacity of over 4 million online traders. Some analysis. In Europe, there are 1.5 million traders, and in Asia, there are 1.6 million traders. Let's show some examples between classic trading and online trading. With classic trading, you have classical stock market, also known as spot market, which means those buying and selling financial transactions, both payment and delivery of an asset, equities maybe, commodities, currency, etc., on the spot or the current date. Buying and holding. Spot delivery is normally 2 working days, business days of course, after the deal is made. Pricing. The price is formed based on supply-demand ratio. Let's show some examples of online trading. Online trading mainly focuses on trading of derivatives, which are based on underlying assets that are traded on spot markets. CFDs, contract for difference. The most traded instruments in the online environment are CFDs, so we all know. Pricing. The price of an asset traded on the derivative market is mainly based on spot market price. And a little graph here on the bottom showing the increase of what we call popularity of trading classic versus online, and of course online is constantly growing every year. A little definition of CFD, which is an agreement between two parties to switch the difference between the opening price and closing price of a certain contract. And we call this contract for difference. We have stocks, of course, bonds that we provide, equities, commodities, interest rates, definitely, and focusing also on forex. Continuing why trading online. Liquidity, transparency, and most importantly, controlled risk. And this is something, of course, us beginners, we definitely need to be focusing on our risk management. Online trading system. The system we provide has a lot of major advantages compared to the classic brokerage system. With trade.com, your idea will be maximum accessible, your money at a reduced cost, time, your ability to trade 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Tools, for example, automated withdrawals and deposits. Success, tailor-made service for each of our investors. And that's exactly why the majority of you here in this course, webinar, are starting or have already started your one-on-one training. This is ideal. The fact that I was introduced to trading online does not change how trading is actually done. Very similar to a business. I am not getting involved in any type business if I don't understand how things work. And of course, once I understand, then I could load on myself more strategies and ways to earn. Till then, I have to build a foundation, and that's what we give here at trade.com for all of you guys. With trading, you could either short, and we call sell a position. You believe a position will go down. And you could also do a long, which is what we call a buy. I believe that a specific asset will be increasing. So we can go both ways. The advantage of market movements, so you can profit from both directions, long buy on the appreciation of a price and short sell on the depreciation of a price. With trade.com, we'll be teaching you also risk management. So we need to remember, we never risk more than we are willing to. So protect your transactions using risk management tools, such as take profit and stop loss. Very important. Let's give a little example of this. An investor buys Microsoft, which its ticker symbol is MSFT, at a share price of $49 a share, setting up the maximum level of risk, which we call stop loss, at 47. So I'm not willing to risk no more than 4.2%. So if my position is dropping from $49 share price to 47, that position will be closing automatically. In a similar way, setting up a take profit at 55, meaning a 12.2% increase. So if my purchase price of Microsoft was at $49 a share and it reached my take profit level that I set at 55, I get to earn from that great increase of 12.2%, and then what happens is the position will be closing automatically. In case Microsoft shares reach $55, the investor will book a profit of 12.2% through an automated selling of his shares at a value of $55. In the worst case scenario, if the price reaches 47, the investor will lose or suffer of only 4.2% loss because I use my risk management tools. Make sure to actually understand clearly, if you don't, when going through this part on your one-on-one training, and this you will be covering on most likely training course number 2, which is platform training. With online trading at trade.com, we offer leverage. Investors use leverage to significantly increase the returns that can be provided on an investment. Leverage is a tool that is increasing the purchase power of your investment. CFDs, contract for difference, have a big advantage by having a possibility of trading them in with the leverage. So on instruments like forex, we provide leverage 1 to 200. On stocks, we provide leverage 1 to 20. On commodities, we offer leverage between 1 to 50. And on oil, gold, and silver products, we offer 1 to 100 leverage. Indices, we offer leverage on US indices 1 to 100. EU or Japanese indices 1 to 50, China 1 to 20, Moscow 1 to 5. Let's give some examples. If I didn't have leverage, so an example without leverage, I am making an investment of $10,000 into my trading platform. With that, I was able to enjoy from owning 100 shares of a specific company. And that share value of that specific company is $100. In actuality, the company's shares, let's say, increase by $4. So I purchased 100 at 100 and it increased to 104, which the company's shares have increased 4%. Without leverage on this position after it's closed, I will be profiting $400 with initial 4% from the initial investment. Let's give an example with leverage. That's how we trade here at trade.com. He is now with a 10,000 same investment, dollar investment, he is able, with 20 leverage, he's able now to enjoy from 2,000 shares of that company with the same value price per share at $100. The company's shares have now increased by 4%, same. And this time around with the leverage, I get to enjoy from profit of $8,000, which is actually 80% profit from initial investment. Just look at this for a little. Continuing. Leverage has the potential to enlarge your profits or losses by the same magnitude. The greater the amount of leverage on capital you apply, the higher the risk you will assume. Note that the risk is not necessarily related to the margin-based leverage, although it can influence if a trader is not careful. An example. With an investment of $10,000 and leverage of times 20, I was able to enjoy from 2,000 shares, and the share price of that specific company is $100. If the company suffers a decrease of 4%, which from 100 it decreased to 96, at this point I will lose 8,000, meaning 80% of the initial investment. Now I'd like to introduce you to our trading platforms. And not to worry, each and every platform, your training specialist, your instructor, if we should call him, will be teaching you and guiding you through each platform and how to use, and definitely how to use all the tools. Important. So, any device application, we also have a data plan and business target. On the web, mobile, or desktop version, you can profit from the market's movements by trading on one of their trading platforms. All trade.com platforms are intuitive, offering personalized experience tailored to meet the needs of your trading. individually. Let's speak about our web trader. With our web trader, trading is on the go. And Trade.com's web trader is a fully supported by Android and definitely iOS mobile devices. With the web trader, you have simple, and one of our main .com is traders can find over 1,000 instruments instantaneously using either a simple search tool or a list of world-class assets. Advanced charting and indicators. Professional grade charting tools and long list of indicators provide essential information on the market trends and allow traders to analyze a given asset, volatility, and direction. Our mobile trader. Let's talk about that. Now with our mobile trader, when trading with the new .com mobile trader, it becomes your gateway to the international financial markets. With maximum mobility, the world at your fingertips, using either an Android device or an iOS. Next platform we offer is the world-renowned MetaTrader 4. Instant order execution, available on mobile devices as well and on a desktop downloaded version. We have online tutorials with the MetaTrader 4, offering also news, graphs, analysis directly on the trading platform. Also having advanced personalization capabilities, tailor-made for you, and world-class graph instruments and strong indicators. Now, I prepared this because I know there are a few soon-to-be members of Trade.com, and just giving you a little heads up on how you could actually activate your account and also, of course, start joining us on our one-on-one training courses with you individually. And there is a fact here of 86% of new people joining, they have no experience at all. And what you would do first is definitely go and open a live account, opening a trading account on the website. You can choose a payment, choose a bank for transferring funds into your trading account, or you can use a credit card. Compliance, legislation of trading accounts by providing a few documents, and setting up a target. Set up a business plan and stick to it. And this is something that you will be working together with your instructor on building this business plan. So I want to welcome and say thank you all for joining. It's the end of our webinar. And again, I want to wish good luck to all of our new clients starting their one-on-one training. And as we know, we have our elections about to come out in the U.S. So if you want to get some information, okay, about U.S. election and how it may affect or impact trading, you would like to speak to your trading specialist, your instructor in regards to this. I want to welcome you all to Trade.com. Thank you for attending and see you very soon.